Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate InVision prototyping alternatives with Mockplus, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate InVision prototyping alternatives using Mockplus, begin by downloading and installing the Mockplus. After installation, launch the Mockplus application. Create a new project by selecting the New Project button in the main interface. Choose a project template or start with a blank canvas based on your design requirements. Once your project is open, familiarize yourself with the Mockplus interface, including the left panel, which houses design components. Drag and drop the desired components from the left panel onto your canvas. To adjust the properties of any element, click on it and use the right panel to modify settings such as size, color, and opacity. Utilize the prototyping feature by selecting the Prototype tab at the top of the interface. Link different screens by drawing connections between them using the interaction arrows. Define the interactions by specifying actions like click or hover in the interaction settings. To add transitions, choose from options like slide, fade, or zoom to create a dynamic user experience. Preview your prototype at any time by clicking the preview button, allowing you to interact with the design as a user would. Use the sharing options to invite team members or stakeholders to review your prototype. Select the share button and copy the link provided for easy access to your project. To download your project, go to the File menu and select Export to save your prototype in various formats. Explore Mockplus's integrations with tools like Sketch or Photoshop for a smoother workflow. Finally, revisit your project regularly to make updates based on feedback and prototype iterations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.